outlet trips your circuit breaker or ground fault circuit interrupter? That annoying pop and blackout can totally mess up your vibe and even cause safety issues if you ignore it. So, first off, you want to check for short circuits. Like, unplug everything from that outlet and see if the breaker still trips when you reset it. If it stays on, start plugging devices back in one by one to spot which gadget might be acting up. Next, test the devices themselves by plugging them into a different outlet that you know works fine. Sometimes the problem is just a faulty toaster or lamp, not the wiring. Also, don't forget to inspect the outlet itself. If it's cracked, burnt, or loose, it's probably time to replace it. For ground fault circuit interrupter outlets, press the reset button after plugging things back in to see if it holds or trips again. If the GFCI outlet keeps tripping for no obvious reason, it might be faulty and needs swapping out. Always make sure you turn off power at the breaker box before messing with any wiring or outlets, because safety should be your #1 priority. And if you're not super confident handling electrical stuff, calling in a pro electrician is the way to go. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their outlet trips the breaker is ignoring repeated trips instead of investigating, which can lead to bigger electrical hazards. Another common issue is thinking every trip means a device is bad. Sometimes the wiring or outlet itself is the culprit, so testing everything carefully is key. A third problem is trying to fix GFCI outlets without turning off power first. Risking shock or injury, always cut power first and consider professional help if unsure. Fixing these things properly not only keeps your home safe, but also prevents annoying power interruptions that mess with your daily flow. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors find steady work by putting them in touch with people who really need their skills, making home fixes less stressful for everyone.